Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing cutting the halwa. This is the topic for your today's session from page number 63 of chapter number 4, parts and wholes. So the topic here we have in page number 63 is cutting the halwa. It is said that Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. Now this is the picture out here, you can see. Okay, so this is the picture of a halwa. Now this halwa Ramesh has bought for his children Amu and Anu. Now based on this you have to solve the problem which is given out there. So he divided it equally for them. Now what he did, he divided this equally among them. Alright, then the question is each will get dash part of the halwa. Now if he divide this halwa into two equal parts, then what will be the fraction? So each will get 1 by 2 part of the halwa, isn't it? So out of 2, 1 part is given to Anu, 1 part is given to Amu and Anu. So this is the first answer. I hope you have understood why it is 1 by 2, isn't it? Alright, then let's proceed to the next topic. So after dividing, that is cutting into half, the pieces was looking like this, 1 by 2. Now this piece is too big, we can't eat it, they said. Now Amu and Anu are saying that these pieces are very big, we will not be able to eat. So what now his father is doing, so he divided the pieces into half again. Now again Amu and Anu's father, that is Ramesh, he divided this halwa into again two pieces, into half. Now you have to tell how many pieces will Amu get. As you can easily see, if suppose this is the part of the Amu and this is the part of Anu, then if again this is divided into half, then of course there will be two part, right? So he divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Anu get? So you'll write Amu will get 2 pieces. Simple, right? So you can see here this halwa is divided into two pieces. So these pieces are going to get by Amu. All right. So this is the figure represented out here. That means the pieces which was big, right, that is now divided into two equal part for Amu and Anu. Now this part will be given to Amu, this part will be given to Anu, isn't it? So this part will be eaten by Amu, and this part, the two pieces will be taken by Anu. Alright. Next, in page number 64, the same topic is there, that is cutting the halwa. The first part of the question now we have in the page number 64 is, now how many pieces will each get? Now how many pieces will each get? Okay, before heading this, I forgot to mention one question out there, which is in page number 63 only. That is, what part of the halwa is it? Now after cutting this, how many part of the halwa you can see? Now it is actually representing 2 by 4 part, isn't it? So there are how many pieces? 1, 2, 3 pieces, and out of these 4 pieces, 2 pieces are going to get by Amu, 2 pieces are going to get by Anu. Alright, so with this, now next again they are still arguing. They are saying that make it smaller, make it even smaller, Dad, they asked. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. So now from these pieces also they are arguing, and they want the halwa to be cut into the small pieces, and this is the figure after getting cut. Now they are saying, okay, thank you, Dad. Now looking at this figure, you have to solve few questions given in the page number 64. Turn the page. Now how many pieces will each get? So as you can see in the figure clearly, there are total 8 pieces it has been divided, right? And now among this 8 pieces, of course 4 is going to get by Amu and 4 to be given to Anu, right? So each will get, so you'll write each will get 4 pieces, or 4 pieces each are going to get, isn't it? So the questions are very easy. The question is you can predict it. What part of the halwa is each piece now? So now each part of the halwa in here you can write it is 1/8 part. How? As because it has been divided into 8 part, right? And the fraction which we are going to represent for this is 1/8. All right, so it is 1/8 as because they are asking about the each piece. So in each piece it is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, like this it has been divided. So in each piece you'll be getting 1/8 part. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next question, the last one. In the same page, that is in page number 64, you are going to find this question. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal part, okay, if Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal part, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is nothing but the piece of the halwa which Ramesh has cut into 6 equal parts. Now you have to say how many pieces each have got. Okay, look at your answers for questions 1 to 4 and write in this sequence. So this I'm not going to do, this part you are going to do it yourself. The question is very easy, understand and try to do it. Okay, alright then, this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.